Hello everyone and welcome back to Modern Showroom. Today, we're taking a closer look at the exciting Aprilia Tuono 457, one of the most impressive lightweight naked motorcycles available for riders who want premium performance, advanced technology, and aggressive Italian styling. The Tuono 457 is based on the successful RS 457 platform but features a more upright riding position designed for everyday comfort. It combines sporty performance with practical ergonomics, making it an excellent choice for commuting, weekend rides, and spirited adventures on twisty roads. At the heart of the motorcycle is a 457 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled parallel twin engine. This modern powerplant delivers strong acceleration, smooth power delivery, and an engaging riding experience. Paired with a 6-speed gearbox and slipper clutch, the engine offers excellent performance for both new and experienced riders. One of the standout features of the Tuono 457 is its lightweight aluminum frame. This premium chassis helps provide sharp handling, excellent stability, and confidence-inspiring control. Whether navigating city traffic or enjoying open highways, the motorcycle feels agile and responsive. The design is unmistakably Aprilia. The aggressive front fascia, sharp bodywork, muscular fuel tank, and compact tail section create a true Streetfighter appearance. Full LED lighting enhances visibility while giving the bike a modern and premium look. Technology plays a major role in the Tuono 457's appeal. The motorcycle comes equipped with a full-color TFT display that provides clear and easy access to important riding information. The modern instrument panel adds a premium touch and improves the overall riding experience. Riders also benefit from advanced electronic features, including ride-by-wire throttle technology, multiple riding modes, traction control, and dual-channel ABS. These systems help improve safety while allowing riders to customize the motorcycle's behavior according to different riding conditions. Suspension duties are handled by an upside-down front fork and a rear monoshock, providing a balance between comfort and sporty performance. The braking system delivers strong stopping power and excellent feedback, helping riders feel confident in a variety of situations. For riders looking to enter the premium motorcycle segment, the Aprilia Tuono 457 offers an attractive combination of style, technology, and performance. It delivers the excitement expected from an Italian motorcycle while remaining practical enough for daily use. That's all for today's Modern Showroom review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more motorcycle reviews, showroom updates, and industry news. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.